Hi, this is Sam Bird with Technical Glass Products here at the newly constructed Costco headquarters in Issaquah, Washington. Let's take a look at the TGP Fireframes Curtainwall and Designer Series doors. Costco commissioned MG2 to create a space that fosters collaboration. The design team needed to prioritize connection between the employees and the spaces around them. Featured prominently in the building is a large central staircase connecting all 9 floors. The stairwell needed to be bright and airy while also maintaining clear sightlines to adjacent spaces, all while complying with fire-rated codes. Fireframes Curtainwall Series frames with Pilkington Pyrostop fire-rated transparent wall panels open the stairwell on these floors. These systems, which include a corner window assembly, run the full length of the interior wall. They provide a 120-minute fire resistance rating while also allowing natural light to stream into the stairwell. Fireframes Designer Series full-lite doors were used to achieve 90-minute fire resistance on multiple levels of the building. TGP's fire-rated frames offer some of the narrowest profiles available with a fire rating, providing a close visual match to the non-rated curtain wall frames used on the north and south facades to optimize natural light, creating a cohesive design aesthetic across the building. From 9 stories up at the Costco HQ, I'm Sam Bird with Technical Glass Products. Thanks for watching.